this does right here kind of show me that we more than likely are going to see a downward pressure on the market before we see an upside. And a lot of people aren't really ready for that. Now, from one thing I did see this morning as well is I noticed on the S&P, we're starting to find that we broke out of this channel, right? We saw all-time highs in the S&P, but again, we saw those lower highs. It tried to break above it, but we kind of found that same one, and now we're starting to hold a bit of a resistance underneath this trend line. Now, if you guys remember, this channel that we have in here goes all the way back to the bottom of 2007. So we've seen only twice now where it's broken above that channel. We had the COVID kind of peak of the bull market, and now we're starting to see another kind of peak, if you will, right? But this channel on the S&P 500, it's a daily chart, goes all the way back to 2007. There's only been twice we've seen a break above this trend line or above this channel, right? And just because it breaks above the channel doesn't mean it's going to new all-time highs. In fact, most people, if they were smart, they would have sold a little bit up here. The S&P 500 really isn't trading unless you're trading the call and put options, but this does right here kind of show me that we more than likely are going to see a downward pressure on the market before we see an upside. And a lot of people aren't really ready for that.